Where's that music go? La 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 la. God, that's that music going, that Ocean's 11 movie. You know, when they're looking at the water mountain. That's the pavilion water fountain. Camera can't adjust for the ISO level up or there on that floodlight. I could just get the white balance on the going a bit closer. Yeah, I can click on that floodlight. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So wow, it's getting closer to it. Oh wow, listen to that sound. Now that's something that beats the sound of Dolby Atmos, because standing up, and even though it's up at an elevated height, there's some sound perceived as it's jetting out from down there at a below angle, below surround, and then the rest of the water sound is coming down at a below surround angle. There's some imaging above, but it's not really what you would call height surround. All this Dolby Atmos stuff is pretty rubbish. DDSX, Auro 3D, it's all rubbish, because you've got to have more speakers. Otherwise you've got to have a mix that's very good and precise, and then the balance of it on the you know, in my home cinema, you know, the balance of it, getting also the phantom image, because there will be a phantom image between those regular channels and the height and the overhead surround channel. There'll be a phantom sound between, or there will have to be a phantom sound. Otherwise, you know, there's going to be something missing in the middle, right in the middle. But here it's totally uniform. It is what it is, the real thing. I like how the camera exaggerates the colour of the sky, because it's a kind of a turquoise colour, but here the camera is slightly exaggerating the colour. Maybe if I click on the, oh yeah, oh yeah. Wow. I'm almost tempted to jump in it, because it's so, well, it's not that hot heat wave now, but anyway, yeah, cool. I wonder what's going on up there. It used to be the ice rink. It used to be the ice rink over there. I think they turned it into a gym. And there's the ABC up there, no longer. Home to the Pigeon. And the Odeon across the road, the last Cinerama curved screen. Home to the Pigeon now. It looked kind of neat at night time, because they had floodlighting in here, and it all lit up and it glowed, and it kind of looked nice. But the new Odeon, which is just over there, I think, where I'm pointing, I think it's just somewhere over that way there. Load of rubbish. Too bad no one bought this and another cinema chain and turned it into back into a cinema, do it all up, and I think turn it into a 2-screen traditional cinema. Get rid of those shoebox bloody cinemas, they're rubbish. Things have changed, the yellow buses are gone, the Odeon cinema's gone, bloody hell, what next?